We all want to be extremely smart. We want to be smart in achieving those things that we want in our lives. And management experts and researchers have said that if we want to achieve what we want in our lives smartly, we must also be able to set smart goals. And they have said that unless we set smart goals, it is very difficult for us to reach where we want to be in our lives. And SMART is a very smart acronym for our SMART goals. The S in the SMART stands for specific. We should be able to make our goals specific. The second one, the M in the SMART, stands for measurable. The A in the SMART stands for attainable. The R in the SMART stands for realistic. Our goals should be realistic. They shouldn't just be wishful thinking. Like if I'm a tiny, skinny little fellow, and if I want to be a strong bodybuilder the next day, it's just wishful thinking. Our goals should be realistic. And last but not the least, the T in the SMART stands for our goals, and the way we achieve them should be time bound. I recently read a very interesting story, actually very interesting. Two friends, Anil and Mukesh, both of them were studying in the same university, the same course, in the same class. They graduated together as well and got a job in the same company. After a couple of years, the senior management decided to promote Mukesh to the post of a senior sales manager. Anil, however, stayed at the same position as a junior sales officer. Now, both had joined the organization at the same time. Both were extremely hardworking, dedicated and committed to the work that they were into. Yet, Mukesh had been promoted. Anil stayed where he was. Anil, after a while, started feeling very insecure with Mukesh, and feelings of jealousy started surfing into his mind towards Mukesh. And one day, it was just so hard for him to handle Mukesh, he actually came to the senior manager and offered his resignation letter, cribbing and complaining that this is a place where everything's biased, certain people are favored, hard work is not valued. The senior manager realized that Anil was a hard-working guy as well, giving his 200% to his work. But Mukesh had that special streak, that special element, which had actually bagged him that promotion. And to show Anil the difference between him and Mukesh, the senior manager told Anil, I want you to do this task for me. Go in the town and find out if there's someone selling watermelons. Anil went for the task. After a while, he returned back and told the senior manager, yes, there is a farmer close to where we are who's selling watermelons. The senior manager asked Anil, and at what rate is he selling those watermelons? Anil said, well, I did not find that out. He drove back to where the farmer was and returned to tell the senior manager that the farmer was selling the watermelons at a rate of 13 rupees and 50 paise per kilo. Now, to show Anil the difference, right in front of Anil, the senior manager called Mukesh and said to Mukesh, look, I want you to do a task. Go into the town and find out if someone is selling watermelons. Mukesh went and after a while returned back and in front of Anil reported to the senior manager, sir, there is only one farmer in the whole town who's selling watermelons. He's charging a rate of rupees 49 for one watermelon. If you buy half a watermelon, he charges us 32 rupees and 50 paise. If you're going to buy it at a rate of per kilogram, he charges 13 rupees and 50 paise per kilogram. He has 93 watermelons in stock at the moment, and each of those watermelons weighs about 7 kilos per watermelon. Not just that, his watermelons are fresh, red, sweeter than the ones we sold last year. He has a farm and is willing to supply us the watermelons for the next 4 weeks at a rate of 102 watermelons per day. And if we buy all 102, instead of charging 49 rupees per watermelon, he will charge us only 27 rupees per watermelon. This would make us a profit of 223 rupees per day and increase our overall sales performance per day by 3.78%. Plus, he has a free slicing machine and he's willing to deliver the watermelons at our doorstep free of charge. Sir, I have put all this information in a spreadsheet, and if you like it, I can email it to you within just about 15 minutes. The senior manager looked at Anil, and Anil got the point. Mukesh was much smarter than him. Why was he smart? Because he was specific, because everything he spoke was measurable, because everything that he was talking about was attainable, because everything that he was talking about was realistic, and everything he was talking about was time bound. He said that the farmer wants to strike a deal with us before 10 in the morning, otherwise he is not interested.